Scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Pox viruses are masters of survival and evolution. Let's quickly analyze how losing one host species might not even phase these resilient viral pathogens at all. First, we need to look at the student's claim that extinction of one host has no effect. This implies the virus must have other ways to survive and spread effectively. Check the cladogram and the text. High mutation rates and diverse host types suggest these viruses are generalists. They don't rely on just one single species to keep their population alive. Since they infect many different hosts in various environments, losing one species won't stop them. That makes option B the only logical choice for us. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid the rush. Trust the given data to find the most resilient option.